Hey, coding stars! Welcome back to another fun and creative Scratch session. Today, we're exploring the Sounds tab, where you can choose, record, and edit sounds to make your projects even cooler. Let's get started. Sounds tab features: add a sound, choose a sound, pick from Scratch's library, record, create your own sound by clapping, singing, or talking. Surprise! Get a random sound. Upload sound, import your favorite sound from your computer. Editing tools, play button, hear the selected sound. Faster, speed up the sound. Slower button, slow it down. Louder and softer buttons, adjust the volume. Mute button, silence the sound. Fade in out buttons, smoothly increase or decrease the volume. Reverse button, play the sound backward. Robot button, turn the sound into a robotic voice. Editing buttons, undo, redo, fix mistakes. Copy, paste, duplicate sound segments. Delete, remove parts of the sound. Step-by-step fun activity, create a custom sound effect. Step 1, go to the Sounds tab and choose a sound. Step 2, click the robot button to give it a robotic twist. Step 3, use the fade in and fade out buttons to smooth the sound. Step 4, click play and enjoy your custom sound effect. Awesome work, coding stars! Don't forget to like this video, comment your cool sound ideas, and subscribe for more creative coding fun. See you next time!